Welcome to my students. Myself Patirajan Behra. I am lecturer in chemistry of Narada Vidya Mandir, Plus 2 Science College, Bhorapur. Today our topic is RNS equation. What is the RNS equation? The quantitative relation between rate constant and temperature is called RNS equation. So, what is the RNS equation? RNS equation, the quantitative relation between the rate constant, that is K, and temperature is called RNS equation. That equation is K is equal to A into e to the power minus e by RT. What is the K? K is equal to rate constant. This E is equal to activation energy. This A is equal to frequency factor. And R is equal to gas constant. E is equal to absolute temperature. Clear? This is the equation of RN equation. K is equal to A into e to the power minus e by RT. Thus the K is equal to rate constant, A is equal to frequency factor, and R is equal to gas constant, E is equal to activation energy. Last class discuss करते what is the activation energy? The activation energy is equal to minimum energy to attain a chemical reaction. This called is activation energy. T is equal to absolute temperature. इक्वेशन तुम कौन करियो इन केस तो तुम्हें एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी कैलकुलेट कर पारियो डिफरेंट टेंपरेचर ना नहीं डिफरेंट टेंपरेचर तुम डिफरेंट कौन करियो एक्टिवेशन कैलकुलेट करियो ता होचे आरएनएस इक्वेशन टेकिंग logarithm both side we get this is ln K ln A into ln E minus A by RT. This is ln K, this ln A multiply আছে logarithm রে কোন হয় তোমরা plus. This is not ln plus ln E by RT. This is ln K, this is ln A, double dio minus E by RT. This ln E is equal to 1. To 1. This is equation 2. Clear? Both sides come कले मु logarithm multiply कले ln K ln A plus ln E. This ln E is equal to 1. Equation कौन आसला ln K is equal to ln A minus E by RT. Next आपको कौन logarithm में convert करो logarithm convert कले कौन आसे तुमरा 2.303 log x is equal to 2.303 log x minus E by RT. Like ln x is equal to 2.303 log x. Next both side कौन करो 2.303 divide कर दो it कितना आएगा log x. This is log A minus E by 2.303 RT. And this is log x is equal to minus E by 2.303 r 1 by 2 log a. মনে ইকুয়েশন নম্বর স্ট্রেট লাইন কনসিডার করো লাইক ইকুয়েশন কোন আছে স্ট্রেট লাইন y mx c x axis से तो लिखना 1 by t y axis log is log k this is log k equation number 1 as in straight line ratio the slope is equal to m is equal to minus a by 2.303 r equation को कंपेयर करो this is y axis तो ना से y का y axis होचे log k x axis 1 by t what is the slope this is the slope minus a by 2.323 r this is intercept clear it is our straight line formation of the straight line of slope with our minus a by 2.323 r complete this equation 3 clear in case हमर तमर different reaction देथियो different reaction देथियो different temperature देथियो and also different rate constant we can also to the activation to find करि परिबो केमि देखो मनर consider दीटा reaction नोच में chemical reaction the rate constant K1 with temperature T1. The another chemical reaction, the rate constant K2 with the temperature T2. Clear? एक क्वेश्चन देछि तमे एटी कोन करियो डिफरेंट टेंपरेचर डिफरेंट रेट कांस्टेंट देछि तमे एटी एक्टिवेशन आल्सो कैलकुलेट कर पाइबो ले इक्वेशन केमिकल रिएक्शन फर्स्ट रिएक्शन कोन तमे एटी के जगह कोन पकेटी log k1 this is same log a minus a by 2.303 temperature T1 this log k2 log a this is 2.303 r t2 this two equation the first equation this is another equation the first equation rate constant k1 with temperature t1 the a constant r is equal to constant and a also constant with the different rate constant different temperature we calculate to ea by subtract the equation this is log k2 minus log k1 this is log a minus a by 2.303 r t2 minus log a minus minus plus this is a by 2.303 r t1 this log a cancel it is log k2 by k1 this is a ea rt minus a by 2.303 r e2 this is log k2 by k1 it common लीजिए ea by 2.303 r common लीजिए summation of 1 by t1 minus 1 by t2 and also log k2 by k1 is equal to a 2.3 r 1 by T1, T2, T2 minus T1. This is the relation of temperature and rate constant. With the different temperature, different rate constant, we can calculate the activation energy. और temperature देछि T1 देछि T2 देछि value put करो and rate constant value put करी तमे एटी activation energy calculation करो. This is the final equation. Important equation मन रखो log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.30 R into T2 minus T1 T1 into T2. बुझला नेक्स्ट आर गोटे न्यूमेरिकल बतुछि न्यूमेरिकल कि नास करो example 1. In general, it is observed that the rate of a chemical reaction doubles with every 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature. If the generalization holds for a reaction in the temperature to 95 Kelvin to 305 Kelvin. What would be the value of activation energy? Here R is equal to 8.314 constant value. This R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. This is joule per Kelvin per mole. This is the R value. The question को देखो, in general it is observed that the rate of chemical reaction doubles. The rate of reaction हम मनकरो rate of reaction R1 and R2 with rate constant कौन बड़ी K1 K2. ले कौन K1 रो K2 कौन तरह double आसियो. तेजी तो reaction कौन होची double है उसी K1 रो K2 reaction होची double. So इट हम कौन लिखने डी K2 by K1 is equal to K2 टा कौन होची K1 reaction में तरह double. So K2 is equal to 2K1. तो ये लिख कर लो like log clear. K2 by K1 is equal to 2. Equation तुम जान चो. This is log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R 1 by T1 minus 1. Equation पको by equation भी पको. This is T1 into T2 minus T1. Log K2 by K1 is equal to कितना से 2. This is log 2. EA बाहर करेगा. EA is equal to 2.303. R is equal to gas constant 8.314. इटा given दे जो तो value R is equal to T2 is equal to 305 minus T1 is equal to 295. This is 295 into 305. Clear? And so log 2 value is equal to 0.3010. This is EA 2.303 8.314. This is 305. This is capacity 10 divided by 295 into 305. This is EA is equal to 0.3010 into 2.303 8.314 into 295 into 305 divided by 10. नहीं मल्टीप्लाई करो ये वैल्यू कितना आसे तुम्हारा ये इज इक्वल टू दिस 51.855. This is kilojoule per mole. This is the value of activation energy. मान रखो it is different temperature. The temperature range दीजिए. This is कौन T1 T2. In case of कितना कम कौन कितना केस है तो न्यूमेरिकल कौन डेटा डबल दे दीजिए K1 K2 देते हो. एक तो log K2 value पक्यो divided K1 value पक्यो. सही हिसाब से तो न्यूमेरिकल तुम बाहर कर परियो. Right on this either double or triple देते हो डायरेक्ट पके तो ना K2 by K1 is equal to enter 2 triple देते 3 पके तो है ना this is the numerical of RMS equation. नोट कर दियो. This next numerical is simple numerical तो मासुओ RMS equation रो. Example 2. The decomposition of a hydrocarbon follows the equation K is equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power 11 e to the power minus 28,000 divided by T. Calculate the activation energy. This is minus 11. Calculate the activation energy. The relation देची rate constant relation देची तो मेट कौन करियो ये वैल्यू बाहर करियो. तो जानचो RMS equation is equal to K is equal to A into e to the power minus e by RT. This equation is equal to K is equal to 4.5 10 to the power minus 11 e to the power minus 28,000 divided by T. Here this is the two equation. एक क्वेश्चन कंपेयर करो एक क्वेश्चन कंपेयर कर ले a is equal to 4.5 10 to the power minus 11. हम a को दरकार नहीं हमको कौन दरकार हो एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी ये तीनटा इक्वेशन को कंपेयर करो. इस e power minus e by t is e power minus 28,000 by t. एक्सपोनेंशियल कैंसिल कर दियो minus e by rt is equal to minus 28,000 divided by t. This dt cancel. What is the this minus minus plus? What is the EA is equal to 28,000 into R. 28,000 R value is equal to 8.314. We can multiply. This value is 232.79 kilojoule per volt. सिंपल न्यूमेरिकल बजाय खाली रिलेशन को कंपेयर करो एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी बाहर कर दियो. कंप्लीट नोट कर दियो. So today I did complete my chemical kinetics. So thank you.